Today we're playing with one of these Easter gifts. We're playing with the Bowser's Castle thing. I don't know if you can see it. I actually also built a train through it. And today we're just gonna have we're gonna be playing with that. So I will show you where the train goes. Usually the train starts here. Oh yeah, I made something for Master Yoda right here. I'll view that later. Goes here, up here. Just follow me. Just follow me, and this is where the train goes. Oh, hit the train. Gosh. Okay, I think it's time to use the train. Hey Mario, fell over. Oh yeah. Show you Mario, right there. He stands on a little code. It's a Disney Infinity code. Okay, we'll play that later. We're gonna play that someday. Okay. So it's time for me to start the train. This one first. Yoda's little train. Okay, and then this train. Aha! Yes. Okay. Pretty loud. Hold on, I want music intro. Hold on. Remember, this Bowser's Castle can actually do sound effects. Okay. Hopefully you can hear this music. The Bowser train. Oh yeah. There's Bowser himself. You might already saw him. Hold on. Let me just show you where Bowser is. So Bowser is not inside his castle. Okay, there's the Yoda train. Oh no. My gosh, I was standing on that train. In front of it, so it couldn't move. We have a little bomb right on the tower there. There's Bowser himself, right there. He's on here, he's not in the castle. There's Peach in a little cage. That's the Monopoly Peach. The only one we could find that fits. For some reason we just had... Oh no, I knocked down Bowser. Hold on. I was doing that all day yesterday and Pat's birthday. Okay, Mario likes the... Oh my gosh, why does this always happen here? Many things that I gotta handle here. Okay, I'll vlog the... I will do the inside of the castle. Mario's standing by some tires right there. Okay, there's Bowser right there having Peach in there. Okay, we also actually have a different Mario. We have two Marios. Oh yeah, the tire right there. Okay, so there we go. Oh yeah, this thing can also make other sound effects right here. That's Bowser falling. That's Bowser yelling, and there's Bowser laughing. There you go. Oh my gosh, you annoying train. Okay. Oh yeah, there's actually passengers in there. I forgot to tell you that. Okay, get your hand out of the way. Okay, so we have a winged Goomba in there in the blue coat. And then we have a Spiky in the last one. There you go. Hold on. I think we're just going to give a close-up. Goomba with wings, orange train, and Spiky. Let's go. I actually really like that music. Oh yes, the inside of the castle. Okay. I'm just gonna set you up right in front of this train thing. I'm just gonna do like a little play of it. Hold on. Oh yeah, this right here, this is my other Bowser. This is my McDonald's Bowser. I just shot you. Okay, so he has this fire in here. When you press this button right here on his tail, it will shoot out. Hold on. Aha! Yes, and sometimes it does like trick shots. Okay. So let's like do the thing itself. Let's like do a little play thing. Here comes Mario in the entrance of this little thing. Hold on. Bowser, no, this is Mario. Mario sneaks around Bowser, and then Bowser goes down there, and then the train hits him. There he goes. Roar! Perfect! Okay, let's just put him right there. Get his fire. Okay, then we put Mario right here. Mario goes there. Okay, perfect. Oh yeah, this little thing. One of those flame things right here. Okay, I forgot to show you that. Oh yeah, here's the button. The Bowser button. Here's where Peach hangs right there. Yeah, but Peach is over there. Right over there. Okay, cool. Oh yeah, how do you play this one over here? That other one. Hold on, I want to turn on Yoda's train again. Oh no, you're gonna get ran over. So close. Okay. Oh yeah, the tire fell down. Poor tire! Okay, how do you play this little thing I made? Okay, hold on. Matthew, cameraman.
Oh, hi there, I'm Matthew Penguin.
Okay, oh yeah, Jimmy's right over in that chair. So Sneaky's little coat with Sneaky in it. And little Sneaky too. Yes, that's not very important. Okay. Let's get the heck over there. Okay. Oh my gosh, you annoying train! Oh, Jimmy's come to the rescue. Thank you, sir. Okay. Okay, here we go. Okay. Here comes Peach. Mario saves Peach. Always at the end. Okay. That's done with. Oh yeah, I want to do that. No, I'm not going to do it right now.
Hey, where's my corn?
Here you go, greed.
My corn. Yum, yum, yum.
That's not very important. Not very important. Oh no, Matthew! The corn's gonna get ran over.
Oh no, my corn. Oh. Burp. Oh yeah, my corn. My corn.
Okay, thanks for watching, everybody. Hope you enjoyed Yoda's little train. Hope you enjoyed it. Sorry about that. Cameraman Matthew, where are you going?
To eat my corn.
Okay, fine then. Okay. Okay, goodbye, everybody. Oh yeah, subscribe, hit the bell, send notifications. You know what notifications do? They pop up on your lock screen. It's like that beginning screen when you first turn on your electronic. And then just drop that and then drop a like on this video, please. Thank you if you've done that. Yes, I've been very busy in these days. I really have. I mean, I had to build this for you. Okay, everybody. Goodbye.